Forget spec sheets, benchmark wars, and the tired mantra of more cores, more power. Microsoft's brewing a revolution. Its next Surface laptops are about to crack open the silicon box and inject a healthy dose of artificial intelligence. These aren't just machines. They're the vanguard of a future where AI isn't just an assistant. It's your co-pilot, your silent partner in pushing the boundaries of what a PC can do. Under the hood, a silicon symphony hums with a new tune. A dedicated neural processing unit, NPU, joins the party, taking on the heavy lifting of AI tasks like real-time language translation, image and video manipulation, and advanced voice commands. Imagine dictating your thoughts and seeing them morph into polished prose, or effortlessly translating foreign documents as you read, all thanks to this invisible AI engine churning away. But the magic doesn't stay trapped in silicon. Microsoft's software suite, from Office to Windows to Azure, is getting an AI makeover. Think applications that predict your needs, suggest context-aware solutions, and personalize your workflow to a mind-blowing degree. Learning a new language? Your AI companion crafts personalized study sessions, highlighting your weaknesses and celebrating your victories. Building a presentation? AI surfaces relevant visuals and data, weaving your ideas into a compelling narrative. And for the hardware heads, buckle up. Intel's 14th gen processors bring raw power to the table, while Qualcomm's Snapdragon X chips play the efficiency card, promising extended battery life and a mobile-inspired experience. The ARM-based Cadmus models, tailor-made for the next Windows update, Hudson Valley, whisper of a future where AI and hardware go hand in hand. Design gets a subtle tweak too. Dual USB-C ports, a trusty USB-A, and the beloved Surface Connect join the party, alongside rumors of a haptic touchpad and a dedicated Windows Copilot button. This key hints at Microsoft's vision for AI as your digital co-pilot, always there to guide and assist you on your computing journey. This isn't just about faster processors and slicker designs. It's about redefining the very essence of what a PC can be. It's about unlocking a world of possibilities, from augmented creativity and streamlined productivity to personalized learning and enhanced accessibility. Privacy and control concerns are valid, and Microsoft will need to tread carefully. But one thing's clear. The PC landscape is about to undergo a seismic shift. And with its AI-powered Surface laptops, Microsoft is staking its claim as the architect of this transformative future. So, tech enthusiasts, prepare yourselves. Mark your calendars for 2024. The Surface Pro 10 and Surface Laptop 6 are coming, and they're ready to rewrite the rules of the game. Get ready to experience computing like never before.